Indonesians know now Khairul Tanjung as Minister of Economy, but the Jakarta-born businessman also has several successful companies before being elected as minister. He is an example of successful people who must go through a pressing era of Indonesian New Order only to emerge with enormous success through hard work. The owner of Para Group, he now has several companies in various fields, and he does not stop doing acquisition to expand his business even further. Born in 1952, Khairul Tanjung is a son of newspaper publishing owner who found himself in the opposite side of New Order regime. His family later must move to a tiny apartment and live in financial difficulties. Khairul Tanjung got money to pay for university study by selling books and t-shirts and opening photocopy service. He also opened a store that sold laboratory equipment in Jakarta, but later closed down because of bankruptcy. Undeterred, he started new business after study with three friends in 1987, PT Pariarti Sindutama, which produced kids' shoes for export. However, he later moved out because differences in vision. He later decided to open his own business without intervention. The starting of corporate group. Khairul Tanjung later started a corporate group he called Para Group, and he focuses on finance, media, and property. This corporate group later expanded into several successful banks and companies. For example, in finance, he acquired Bank Karaman, which he later named Bank Mega, and he also expanded the finance field into several companies, such as Asuransi Umum Mega, Para Multifinance, Bank Mega Syariah for transaction according to Muslim law, Asuransi Jiwa Mega Life, and Mega Finance. Meanwhile, in media, Khairul Tanjung is famous as the owner of Transmedia Corp, which has Trans TV, Trans 7, Amusement Park Trans Studio, Trans Lifestyle, and Trans Fashion. These are currently big names in Indonesia's multimedia and produce many of Indonesia's popular TV shows. Meanwhile, in property, Khairul Tanjung also built Bandung Supermall in West Java with around Indonesian rupiah 99 billion of cost. In 2010, Transcorp even made big decision of acquiring 40% of Carrefour stocks with the Memorandum of Understanding signed in France in March 2010. He was finally elected as the Minister of Economy by the sixth President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono to replace former Minister of Economy Hatta Rajasa, who decided to run for Vice President in this year's election with Prabowo Subianto.